Hi, I'm Neil Milton. I want to talk about finding the will. So that is a circumstance where you or someone you're working together with thinks that there may be a will and that you're likely the estate trustee or the named executor in that will, but you need to find the original will. What do? Well, you start by looking in all the locations where you think the testator is most likely to have kept their most important documents. So safety deposit boxes. They can sometimes be quite difficult to get access to. The banks can be difficult about that. But what you're trying to do is find out if there's a will, not actually get the original and take it away. So if you can find out if there's a safety deposit box, see if the bank manager will allow you to at least get an inventory of that box, at least to the point of finding out if there's a will in it. You should ask at the courthouse. It is possible to register a will at the court. There's no other big public registry in Ontario. There are now some online registries, so check that if the testator is a little more techno savvy. There are also things like vaults and safes at home. Some people keep things at home, fireproof safes. Hopefully not just tucked in between some magazines by the couch. It's also common to ask around to lawyers that the testator might have worked with and sometimes that is quite difficult because they may have retired or died or moved on. But that is an approach that is often followed. And lastly, people advertise, especially to lawyers. So you can advertise in the local bar association and see if anyone happens to recognize the name of the testator, all of which goes to either finding out that a will was made and where it is, or trying to establish what we would call a paper trail of the efforts to find a will, an unsuccessful effort. So that would establish that to the best of your ability, there is no will, and therefore this is an intestacy. I hope that's helpful. If you have questions or concerns, send us an email. We'll get right back to you.